Examine the package for shipping damage. If you find any damage, report it to the freight carrier. Carefully remove the shipping carton from the pallet, cutting the shipping straps and removing the cardboard box. The installation kit is boxed separately from the compressor. Verify that the installation kit parts were shipped with the system. Remove the 4 half-inch bolts securing the compressor to the pallet using a 9/16 wrench or socket. Install the vibration isolating leveling feet and ensure the compressor stands firmly on the floor. Use 2 people to lift the A-dec compressor from the pallet.
Refer to the install guide for proper clearances around the equipment.
The A-dec compressor is meant for indoor use only in a dust-free, climate-controlled room.